Natural disasters happen all over the world and cause a lot of damage. As you know, there are different types of natural disasters. One common natural disaster is flood. It occurs when it rains a lot and the water in the river gets so high that it overflows the river banks and covers surrounding areas. Hundreds of houses and cars are submerged in the flood. Floods are opposite to droughts. A drought happens when there has been no rain for a long time. The land becomes too dry and it is impossible to grow any plants on it. Earthquakes are another common natural disaster. Roads often crack and buildings collapse during strong earthquakes. An earthquake under the water can cause a tsunami. A massive wave covers the land, smashing everything on its way. Another natural disaster is a tornado. It is a large, whirling column of wind. A hurricane is a violent storm with extremely strong winds and heavy rain. A cyclone is a severe storm in which the wind spins in a circle. An avalanche is when a lot of snow falls down the side of a mountain.